Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. It's time for our morning meeting or daily calendar. Let's begin. Today is Monday. Make those M's. Monday, Monday. Today is Monday. I'm actually excited for Monday because it's nice to see your faces again, and I'm hoping to see all of you back from vacation. All right. The date is 7/13/20 or July 13th, 2020. The day of home learning is 70. So, what is in the ones place? 0. What is in the hundreds place? 0. What is in the tens place? 7. What is in the thousands place? 0. All right, next up, we're going to skip count the 8s today. And I think we should practice using our hundreds chart. Our multiplication chart. It's Monday. I still haven't had my coffee. All right, so to use a multiplication chart, you find 8 in one of the places, 1 or 1. And then you count across or down to count by 8s. So let's count across first. So 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 6 is, I lost my place, 48. 8 times 7 is 56. 8 times 8 is 64. 8 times 9 is 72. 8 times 10 is 90. No, wait, 80. See? Lost my place. 8 times 11 is 88. And 8 times 12 is 96. I knew that 8 times 10 being 90 was wrong because that doesn't work. And you guys know your tens times table. So thank goodness for that. So let's go down to do the whole thing all together. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88, and 96 is counting by your 8 times tables. All right, today's money. We are looking for $13.20. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4 types of dollars and 1, 2 types of coins. So first, when we do our dollars, we always count from the highest dollar that we work with. The highest dollar we work with is 20. Does 20 go into 10? 13? Nope. How about 10? Because I started saying that, so I think we might know where that's going. 10 go into 13? Does. Let's put that there. Okay. 13. Subtract 10. We can just go up. It's 3. Well, the next dollar we have is a 5, and 5 doesn't go into 3, but 1 does. And 1 can go into 3. 1, 2, 3 times. Sorry, my cat is in my usual desk spot, so this is going to be an interesting day. All right, so we need 1 10 and 1, 2, 3 ones. Next, 20. Okay, the largest coin that we work with normally is a quarter, which is worth 25. Does 25 go into 20? Next largest is a dime, which is worth 10. Does 10 go into 20? So let's put a D there and a 10 on top. Okay, so now 20 minus 10. 20 minus 10 is 10. And we already know that a dime is worth 10. So that would be 2 dimes. So let's get our 2 dimes. So remember what the dimes look like. Tiny little coins. And they usually say 1 dime in the back. They're actually one of the smallest coins that we work with, which is interesting because they're the next highest value we work with. But they used to be made of silver. And this was how much silver would make a dime. Interesting, huh? Just like pennies used to be completely copper, and that used to be worth a penny. Nickels, I actually don't know what nickels were made of. That would be only 5 cents for that amount. And the same thing for quarter. I have no idea what quarters were made of for it to be that amount. I'll have to look that up for you guys. All right, next, our clock. My clock was a little off center, so I'm gonna show it to you on this too. So always start by the minute hand. Minute hand is at 12. If it's at 12, it means it's at o'clock or 00. So let's write in that 00. Maybe. Whoop, whoop, okay. And then we're going to find out where the hour hand is. The hour hand is at the, we can move it if we need it, 5. So it is 5 o'clock, according to this. Haha, there it goes. Next, weather. Today is a bit dreary. I think it's going to be raining off and on, but that's a good thing because let me tell you, the plants need it and I need it because I'm hoping it'll cool everything down because the last few days have been hot, 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 and I've been melting, and I don't like sitting in air conditioner. I would rather sit outside and enjoy a nice breeze. Well, you guys might like air conditioning more, but I don't. Moving on. What do you think the temperature is? Still not really wearing sleeves. I can tell you I'm wearing capris, which are a little bit longer than shorts. I'm not a shorts person in general, so you will never see the shorts. And I'm very comfortable. It's getting a little hot, so let me see. Comfortable, but a little hot. And let's see if it's going to get even hotter today. Oh yeah, it's going to get a little hotter. All right, so what do you think? Comfortable right now. It's going to get hotter by 10 degrees. That's a huge hint for you. So right now, where I am, it is 75 degrees. I think it's hotter inside because it feels hotter. Now, what is 10 more degrees than 75? Give you a second. See if you can figure it out. You ready? 10 more degrees than 75 is 85 degrees. It's going to get up to 85 degrees today. So it is still going to be hot, but hopefully these showers will keep going throughout the day and cool things down for us, because let me tell you, I could use a little bit of cooling down. All right, guys, I hope you have a great day. It's time for our bonus. Today's bonus, as some of you might know what this is, it's a fidget spinner. And the great thing about fidget spinners is that they're quiet. So I can listen and do my things. I can play with parts of it because there's actually more than one part that spins. And I can even practice balancing, though granted, when you're practicing things like balancing, you're not listening as well. But the cool thing about a fidget spinner is it's designed for you to play with quietly while listening to other people. So it is a good school activity. The problem is students fight over it. So not often can we have a fidget spinner in school. So know that not every location will allow them. I allow them in the classroom, but it is something that you have to ask about before you use. All right? Talk to you later, guys. Have a great day. Bye.